Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you will be fine and studying at home. This is lecture 12, subject English, class 5, and the book is Oxford Reading Circle. Before starting the lecture, students, I advise you to take out your book, Oxford Reading Circle, notebook and stationery items. I also advise you be attentive during lecture. Your Oxford Reading Circle book, take out it please. We will do Unit 5. This is a poem, Nurse's Song, and it is written by a famous English poet, William Blake. The contents of this poem are following. First of all, we will read the poem. Then there will be the explanation of the main points given in the poem. In the end, we will do words meanings that are given in your syllabus. Now, students, we will read this poem with rhythm together. Nurse's Song. When the voices of children are heard on the green, and laughing is heard on the hill, my heart is at rest within my breast, and everything else is still. Then come home, my children, the sun is gone down, and the dews of night arise. Come, come, leave of play, and let us away, till the morning appears in the skies. No, no, let us play, for it is yet day, and we cannot go to sleep. Besides, in the sky the little birds fly, and the hills are all covered with sheep. Well, well, go and play till the light fades away, and then go home to bed. The little ones slept and shouted and laughed, and all the hills echoed. Students, now there is some explanation of the important points of the poem. As you know, this poem is written by a famous English poet, William Blake. The poem is divided into 4 stanzas. In the first stanza, the children are shown to be playing in a valley. Their cheerful voices show that they are in a happy mood. As you have seen, the poem begins with the cheerful voices of children. Their nurse or a caretaker is watching them and feeling them satisfied from the games of the children. In the second stanza, the nurse calls the children to return home. She says to children to leave off their games and to return home to sleep, because the sun has set and soon there will be night. In the third stanza, the children refuse to return home. They want to play more because there is still some light there. They also say that the birds are still flying in the air and the sheep are also wandering on the hills. Fourth stanza, the nurse allows them to play more till the dark. The children become happy, they shout and leap with joy, and all the valley is filled with their cheerful sounds. Students, I hope now you would have understood the poem and its explanation. You must read it again to understand it in a better way. Students, now take out your notebook and we will do words meanings that are given in your syllabus. There are 5 words. Number 1 is leaped. Number 2, leave off. Number 3, fades. Number 4, appears. Number 5, heard. Number 1 is leaped. Leaped is the second form of the word leap. Its meaning is jumped. Number 2, leave off. Its meaning is to stop. Number 3, fades, becomes dimmer, less bright, fainter. Number 4, appears. It means to come into sight, to be seen. Number 5, heard. Heard is the second form of the verb hear. Its meaning is listened. Students, note down these words meanings on your notebooks and learn them. Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.